Hello and welcome back. Back up here at the land now. We're gonna get some work done. Got my buddy Sean here with me again this weekend. Say hi, Sean.
Hey, how's it going?
Hiding over there behind the trees. Anyway, we're gonna burn some brush. I've got this giant pile of I guess they call it a slash pile from all the work on the roads and stuff. A couple piles here, a couple piles there. But you know, it's clearly winter now. There's basically snow everywhere, so it's a good time of year to get some work done like this. So grabbed a bit of birch bark here for the pit, and we're gonna just start getting the fire going and start throwing that wood on. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, we are making a good dent in our pile over here. You can see we've tackled quite a bit of it, but you know, it's burning a little slower than we thought here. So we're just going to keep plugging away, but we're losing light now. So I'm not sure there's much more we can burn here, but we'll just keep plugging away at this for a bit, and then decide what we want to do tomorrow. So. Good morning. We're back outside here now, getting started. We did a bit of work at the camp there, moving some wood around, just getting it stacked. But what we want to do today is deal with some trees that are along the roadway there. But before we can actually get very far, I had dropped a load of the aggregate with the dump truck last week. I dumped it kind of in the middle of the road there, and didn't go back up with the tractor to kind of flatten it out. So it'll make it, you know, difficult getting through there, especially with the side-by-side over the winter. So I'm gonna see if I can get the tractor started here. It's a chilly morning. We did get a little bit more snow last night, maybe another few centimeters, maybe up to an inch even. But you know, it's supposed to be a nice day and be sunny, so hopefully it'll kind of melt off throughout the day. I think it's staying below zero though. I think it's like -1 is the high today, so might not melt much of it. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is see if I can get the tractor started here, run up there, flatten that pile out, and then I'll grab the side-by-side and we'll sort of check out the trees we want to start dealing with. So let's see how I do a cold start here on the tractor. I assume that most people watching this probably know how to start the tractor already when it's cold, but you need diesel, so it doesn't use spark plugs, it uses glow plugs. And in order to get it to fire, you kind of need to get the glow plugs warmed up a little bit. So the diesel engines will always have this this setting here, which is just to warm up the glow plugs. So I'll put the key in, and I will hold it there for probably 10 to 15 seconds. And you can see on the dash that you get your glow plug light on. So after about 10-15 seconds, then I'm just going to flip it over and try to start it right away. So let's go now. See here the sort of sad little load that I dumped with the dump truck was I believe it was like three buckets, like 3 scoops that I put in, maybe 4, but I think it was only 3 because I was worried about getting up the hill. So one of the reasons why I gotta rethink this dump truck thing. It's just not gonna work if this is all I can really move for that giant vehicle. It's just not worth it. But anyway, so first step here is just to get this stuff flattened out, and then we can get taking some trees down along this trail here. So let's get to it. Alright, that's good enough for now. Doesn't have to be perfect right at this point. I just want to make sure that it's flattened out enough to get over with the side-by-side as I'm using this this trail more to do some of the tree work. So I'm gonna go park the tractor now, grab the side-by-side, and then we'll get cutting some trees. So see you in a bit. Okay, we're up here at the top of the creek again, this same area I've been doing a lot of work in. And our first attack here is going to be on these two little trees. I just want to be able to maximize the turning radius that I can get out of this area, and they're kind of blocking. Kind of a plan in the future too to extend maybe up this way a little bit so they can have more space for turning around there as well. But for now, we're just going to deal with these two trees and then deal with some of that other spot in the spring. So I'll get suited up, grab the chainsaw. Sean's got his bail hook ready to go here. So once we drop these trees, we can limb them up, maybe cut them into strips, and then put them off to the side for firewood for later. So let's get to it. All right, that looks good. Got those down. A little bit of a mess on the road there, but that's okay. We'll be able to come back with the tractor kind of another day and take care of the root ball there, and kind of spread a little more aggregate down and widen this area out. So yeah, that's it for this spot. Not going to do anything more here, so we're just gonna basically head down the road now, or down the driveway, and there's a couple more trees that are kind of encroaching too close on the road, so we'll look at pulling those down and doing the same thing, kind of splitting them up and moving them off to the side. So let's go find the next spot. Okay, so we're back at the next spot here. We're gonna cut off the corner here so I can make the road a bit smoother. So you can see these trees here as you're coming down, kind of pushing the road out to the left here. So we're just going to deal with a few of these little trees here just to sort of help, and then I'll be able to flatten the road out a bit better there. Hopefully there's not a giant rock there, but we'll deal with that later. For now, we're just going to take these trees down. So let's get to it. All right, that takes care of that little spot for now. We'll get the tractor up here in the spring and take care of the stump and kind of widen that area. But I think that's going to be it for, at least for now. We're going to go grab a coffee and decide if we want to do any more. But just in case, I guess we'll say thanks for watching and bye for now.